Hello everyone. In this video we will see that how we can create a new opportunity. So to create a new opportunity, go to the opportunities, under opportunity, go to action and click on new. Enter the name of opportunity. Select the account on which you want to create an opportunity. One point to be noted, opportunities can be created only on accounts, not on leads. So once you select the account here, select the contact name, rest contact email and phone number, it will fetch automatically. Once information is fetched, select the source, whether it has come from any outside source or any internal person has been creating it. Choose the close date, that what will be the closing date of this particular opportunity. Select the stage, that in which stage opportunity is going to be created. So let's suppose I'm creating it under investigation. Enter the amount and then click on save. Now this particular opportunity has been created for this particular account here, City Central Theatre. Now next step is how to move an opportunity to different stage or close it. So once you start your conversation with the customer, depending on the negotiation follow-up, keep moving the opportunity in the relevant stage. Okay. And the last stage is closed. So under close stage, there are two options for an opportunity, either close won or close lost. Closed won means that this opportunity or deal has been won or is good to go. And lost means the deal has been not won or lost. And save it. So this is how an opportunity can be created, moving to different stage, and finally can be closed as a won, lost, or a closed won. The other